Hi guys, my name's Livy and welcome to my first YouTube video. How exciting! So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do like the sunset inspired look. Really easy, really simple, doesn't require a lot of skill, and if you think you don't have skill, that's okay, because I'm going to show you step by step how to do this in the simplest way possible. So prep your faces, prime your eyes, and get ready for this. So I just started by priming my eyes with some concealer. Concealer works the same as eye primer if you didn't know, but if you didn't know by now, you're probably new to makeup. So I am going to start by starting from the inner corner and blending my way out, and then we're gonna cut the crease, and then it's pretty much finished. It's really easy. Hi, welcome to my face. Funny story, I actually filmed this 2 other times. The first time, I wasn't in frame, so I was like, oh man, gotta do it again. And the second time, the footage got deleted, and I was pretty upset. So this is round 3. So first things first, we're gonna go into this bright yellow here. And we're gonna go into our inner crease and blend up. Like so. And don't be afraid to get a little messy, because like I said, we're gonna cut the crease, so it's all gonna go away. The mess is gonna be gone. So after you've done the yellow, we're gonna go into his orange here. And now I know this looks like a rusty orange on the palette, but when you put it on your eye, it actually looks a lot brighter. Like, see, she kind of bright. So just blend that with the outside of the yellow and work your way out. There. Now after you've done the orange, you're gonna go into this darker pink here and repeat the same process. And then once you've finished the pink, you're gonna go into this brighter pink here and blend out. And there you go, that's the crease. Also, it's okay to use the same brush for all 3 of these because it all blends together. So yeah, that is okay. And see, that's pretty easy and simple. It just took 2 seconds to do your crease. So now, time for the big part. We're gonna cut the crease. I know what you're thinking, oh my god, I don't know how to cut the crease. I'm not that good at makeup. This is why I'm here. I'm here to show you how to do things like cutting the crease. So also, we're gonna cut from the inner to like the middle, as you can see on this eye. Now to cut the crease, you're gonna tap it on the lid like that, and then like that. You're just gonna look up. As you can see, it's kind of made like a little line, and you're just gonna follow along that line. Use it as like an outline to know where to go. And there, you're just gonna cut like to the middle, and then pat it down, make it all nice and even. And there you go. Whoa, you just cut the crease. I bet you feel so accomplished. Now we're gonna go into this champagne color here. And no, this is not Anastasia, this is Copycat Beauty, because I'm poor. I can't afford a $50 palette. It's the same palette, it's just $8. Works the same, looks the same, just cheaper because I'm poor. So you're gonna fill in the crease with that champagne color that you just put on your brush. Just like that. All nice and champagne-y. And now while we're with the champagne color, we're gonna go into our brow bone and highlight that. And don't be afraid to like kind of get it into the crease a bit, because it'll blend out the color that's in the crease a little better. See, just like so. Now going back into this colorful palette that we have here, we're gonna go into this dark pink, and we're actually gonna start out and work our way in. So take the darker one and start at the edge here, and just put a little bit there like that. And then once you're done with the darker pink, you're gonna go back into our orange and blend it with the crease. Just like that. And then take the same brush you used to champagne and just pat it down so it's all nice and blended. And there you go. Just like that. Using a little thinner blending brush than we used before. I don't even know if these are blending brushes. I really don't know the names of the brushes. I just know where they go and what they do. I should really research that. So we're going to take this thinner brush here. We're going to go back into our darker pink. And we're going to do our lower lid with the pink. And make sure you blend it a little bit with the outer edge of this, just so it all goes together. There, just like that. So now we're gonna go into our mascara and our lashes, and then that's the eye look. Really simple, like I said. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give a like and a subscribe, and maybe a little comment if you're feeling nice. I will be posting every Wednesday, so stay tuned for more beauty related videos if you're into that stuff. If you're not into that stuff, why are you watching me? I mean, I appreciate the support, but like, why? So yeah, thank you for watching.